The Tawny-flanked Prinia is a small and active warbler, commonly found across sub-Saharan Africa. It is known for distinctive, energetic movements. This bird inhabits a range of environments, including grasslands, savannas, gardens, and areas with dense shrubs. Its adaptability allows it to thrive near human settlements and in a variety of open landscapes. The tawny-flanked Prinia has a slender body with a long, narrow tail that often flicks up and down. This Prinia is an insectivorous bird, feeding on a diet primarily composed of small insects, caterpillars, and other invertebrates. Known for its quick darting movement, it is constantly on the move, flicking its tail and wings in a unique display. The tawny-flanked Prinia is a quite vocal, often heard before it's seen. It has a distinctive, repeated call which it uses for communication, particularly during the breeding season when males call persistently to establish territory and attract mates. During the breeding season, the tawny-flanked Prinia builds a small dome-shaped nest low to the ground in dense vegetation, camouflaging it well. The nest is made from grasses and leaves, and both the male and female share the responsibility of caring for their young. This adaptable bird, though small, plays a significant role in insect control in its habitats, and its lively behavior and distinctive calls make it a favorite among birdwatchers in Africa and Asia. The tawny-flanked Prinia has a warm, tawny-colored flank and grayish-brown plumage on its back, making it blend well into its surroundings. Its underparts are typically lighter, and the bird has a slight curved bill that aids in catching insects.